Open this.
What's this?
Come over here. Okay, open this. Put that. Pour this in here.
Put this.
Yeah, pour it. Oh.
What?
Hold it. Good. Let's see. Wait. I'm gonna put the rest in here.
I'm making this.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Now, put this in the water. Like this.
Lucy.
Now we gotta wait a little bit and then it'll turn to slime, okay? How's this? I don't know what this is for. Wait.
One. We put that one. We right. We put chili pad.
Okay, wait.
We put it.
Let's see how it comes out, alright?